What's going on, guys? Stock Sniper Mike here, and today we're gonna show you how we're able to make some money over the weekend. A lot of people ask, how do you make money over the weekend in the stock market? Because the stock market is closed, and here is how you do it. As a stock sniper, you get certain tools every day that help you find the right stocks that give you consistency in the stock market. Two of my favorite tools and the most beneficial tools of being a part of the team is the watch list. We create 2 watch lists a day. One in the morning at 9 a.m. for all the stocks that we're looking at that morning, and then we create one at 3 p.m. Eastern called the SniperScope. And that SniperScope is another 5 stocks that we think have the best potential to make us money that day or overnight to the next morning. And with the stock market closed over the weekend, the Friday SniperScope gives you an opportunity to make money over the weekend. That is the tool that we were able to use and benefit from this week, and that's what we'll be going over today. On Friday, May 12th, we were able to profit on 2 of the 5 stocks on that SniperScope. The first one we'll go over is number 1 on the scope there, and that's OTC penny stock DPLS. DPLS was a great move because it had 7 straight consecutive red days. We always say after 3 red days, we're looking for that first green day, and this one had 7 straight red days. So when we were able to find that first green day on Friday, we decided to buy it during power hour after putting it on that SniperScope. We bought it in the last 30 minutes of the day as it was holding the key daily support spot that we put on the scope. So you not only get the stock on the SniperScope, you also get certain price range that you want to see them break or hold for you to stay interested. After buying DPLS at 298 on Friday afternoon, we got a little cushion getting over 3 over the weekend, and on Money Monday is where we were able to take our profit and our $900. DPLS got a very nice push in the morning, holding 3 cents the whole time and getting all the way up to 3.5. We always say take the bag and try to take the meat of the move, so we actually got ourselves out at 3.2, happy with our $900 in profit over the weekend. The next one we were able to tag a bag on is a higher price OTC stock, and this is NLST. So not all OTC stocks are penny stocks. This is one that actually had news with Google in it a couple weeks ago and got a very nice spike from $4 to the 6s. Now it's coming all the way back down to that $4.10 spot that it spiked at in the past. We decided to chop at it when we saw that first green day after 5 straight red days, and good thing we did, because we bought it on Friday afternoon and we decided to enjoy the weekend. Florida Panthers actually clinched the first round for the first time in about 20 plus years. I think it's 23 years to be exact. So we had some fun. We went out to the official watch party, enjoyed ourselves, spent some money on drinks, and then woke up on Money Monday to the $900 on DPLS bag, also a $260 plus bag on NLST, and 5% plus there. Both of those bags adding up to a total of $1,100 plus. Whatever we were able to do over the weekend, we got it all back just to start Money Monday and within the first 30 minutes. Those of you guys that are interested in making money with us over the weekend, we'd love to have you on the team. Check us out at www.thestocksnipers.com, or you can check us out on the App Store or Google Play. We just came out with a great app. Definitely check that one out under Stock Snipers. Give us a download, and if you want, join the team and let's get rich together. Now, both these bags weren't the biggest bags, but they were still able to add up to over $1,100. Right, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment on what you want us to talk about or what you want us to make a video about. We're always open up to new things. Hope to see you guys on the team soon, and if not, keep up the hard work. Let's get rich together. Stock Sniper Mike, out.